The message "Hybrid system warning, safely stop and do not drive" in your Sonata Hybrid means that the computers in your car have detected a critical issue connected with the hybrid battery system. The car wants you to stop, and it's actually a good idea to do so, because after you see this warning you may lose power and the car may stall and not restart, so driving is not safe at all. Before you call a tow truck, let the vehicle sit for 15 minutes and cool down. If you can't start it and there is no warning, you can drive on your own. The thing is that Sonata Hybrid vehicles may show such warnings randomly when the battery pack is too cold or too hot, but if cooling down the battery works and the warning disappears, you may just keep driving. Also, many owners report that they see this warning in winter for the first 5 minutes after they start their vehicles. Basically, turning off the hybrid mode and driving for several minutes solves the problem by warming up the system. Now, if you can't see any connection to very cold or hot weather and turning the car off and on doesn't eliminate the warning, there are several things to look at. First of all, there was a service bulletin number 2301054H covering the 2013-2015 model years of the Sonata Hybrid. This is just a service campaign, not a recall, so you still may need to pay for repairs, but you may get an idea of what to look at. The bulletin points out that the safety plug, assembly and also the hybrid battery fuse may malfunction and lead to such warnings. Fortunately, the parts are easy to diagnose with dealership equipment, so it won't take them much time. Also, the fuse and the safety plug are relatively cheap parts, so hopefully this is the culprit of your problem and you can solve it for something like $400–500. The bulletin shows the procedure of how the unit should be diagnosed, but it's not a DIY job, since the parts are included in the high voltage system and shouldn't be touched by anyone without proper qualification and experience. Unfortunately, if nothing helps you find the culprit and you still get this warning, there are two possible problems left to address: the hybrid battery pack or the transmission. I don't know why the failing transmission may throw this warning, but what's important is that the transmission as well as the hybrid battery is covered by the powertrain warranty and hybrid system warranty, and you should check if your vehicle is still eligible for warranty repairs. The price of the hybrid battery is over $2,000, the transmission is even more expensive, so unless the car has extremely many miles on it or is quite old, you should try to get Hyundai cover the repair costs, at least partially. For this, you will need a dealership inspection report and then contact the Hyundai main dealer through the official website and describe the problem. I know about cases when Hyundai agrees for goodwill coverage and this saves thousands of dollars for owners.